Okay, so today I'd like to go ahead and show you how to generate cross tabulations and calculate a chi-squared value in SPSS. So as you can see, I've gone ahead and opened the software, and I have opened the ANES dataset. So basically, for illustration purposes today, what we're going to look at is this variable down here at position number 27, CAPPUN. And looking over here at the variable label, we can see that this is a question that asks the respondent whether they favor or oppose the death penalty. It's coded simply 1 is favor while 5 is oppose. So what we're going to do in this example is see how males and females differ in their views on the death penalty. So to do that, we're going to go up here to the file bar and click Analyze, go down to Descriptive Statistics, and down to Crosstabs. So go ahead and click that. So now we have this, and we can select the variables that we'd like to put in the rows and the variable that we'd like to put in the column. So in the row variable, we're going to go ahead and put the CAPPUN, which is the views on the death penalty. And in the columns, we're going to go ahead and put sex. So let's click that arrow. So at this point, if you just wanted to generate a basic cross tabulation that just shows frequencies in it, you would just need to click OK and you would be done. For our purposes, we're going to go ahead and take things just a step further. We're going to click Cells. And here you can specify whether you would like to see row percentages, column percentages, and or total percentages. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and select column percentages. Click Continue. And because we also want to see the chi-square value, we're going to click Statistics. So you'll see there's all these different options that you can choose. The one in the top left corner is the chi-square, so we'll go ahead and check that and click Continue. Now we're just going to click OK. So this opens our output window. And so now what you can see here is that we have the cross tabulation, where on the columns we have sex, and on the rows we have views on the death penalty, where this is favor and this here is opposition. So with these column percentages, you'll see that adding them up equals 100 in the column. So within the males within the sample, 74.5% of them favored the death penalty, while 25.5% of them opposed it. However, for females, you can see that only 65% of females favored it, while 35% of them opposed it. So just kind of eyeballing this, it looks like there is a difference between males and females when it comes to views on the death penalty, but we can go ahead and double check that by looking down here at this table at the bottom where it says chi-square tests, and we can look at the Pearson chi-square value of 12.298 with 1 degree of freedom. Now, as you know, when we're calculating these by hand, you have to go to a table to see whether or not they are statistically significant at a particular alpha level. However, the beauty of SPSS is that the alpha is already calculated for us. You can see that this is significant at the 0.000 level. So since that's less than a 0.05, we would say, yeah, that is a significant difference. So males and females do differ in their views on the death penalty. So that is how you generate a cross tabulation and run a chi-square test in SPSS.